Boy, oh boy, oh boy. Yellowstone National Park, where people go to visit, hang out, and to explore what the park has to offer. We're not talking about the bears, we're not talking about the bisons, but we're talking about the hot springs located at Yellowstone National Park. At least 22 people have died from burns in the thermal pool of Yellowstone. This is the most common cause of death in the park besides being mauled by bears. Now, just recently on August 16th, there was a man who lost his foot inside of a shoe. Now, who knows how this took place, but it did take place, and investigators has tracked the man's foot. Okay, we all hear and we all see topics of asteroids rushing towards Earth. The disaster approaching. An asteroid approaching Earth. Earth has objects near it, of course, which sometimes get attracted towards the planet because of its gravitational pull. Not every near-Earth object managed to reach the surface of the planet. The object needs to be large enough to survive its fiery journey through the atmosphere of the Earth. What is a near-Earth object? Well, for one, asteroids or comets that can pass within 30 million miles or 50 million kilometers of Earth's orbit are known as Earth objects or as near Earth objects, aka NEO. Now, according to NASA, a near Earth object, NEO for short, is an asteroid or comet whose orbit brings it within a zone approximately 121 million miles from the Sun, which means that it can pass within about 30 million miles of Earth's orbit. NASA further informed that the vast majority of the NEO that enters Earth's atmosphere disintegrates before reaching the surface, and more than 100 tons of dust particles disintegrate in Earth's atmosphere daily. Those NEOs that are larger than around 98 to 164 feet in size could cause widespread damage in and around their impact sites. Apart from NEOs, there is another category that NASA uses. These are the potential hazards of objects. PHO for short, potential hazard objects. These are near-Earth objects whose orbit brings them within 4.7 million miles of Earth's orbit, or is greater than 500 feet in size. The highest risk of impact for a known asteroid is a 1 in 714 chance of impact by an asteroid designated 2009 FDs in 2185. This means that the possibility that it could impact then is less than 0.2%, NASA said. One asteroid that NASA is studying up close, called Bennu, has a 1 in 2700 chance of impacting Earth between the year of 2075 and 2195. The OSIRIS/REx spacecraft will complete a 2-year investigation of Bennu before plucking a sample of asteroid material off its surface and delivering it back to Earth. How can we prevent an asteroid from hitting Earth? Currently, an asteroid impact is the only disaster that NASA might be able to prevent. There are a few methods that NASA is studying to deflect an asteroid on a course to impact Earth. One of these techniques is called gravity tractor. It involves a spacecraft that would rendezvous with an asteroid but not land on its surface. So there you go. It's safe to say that scientists can prevent an asteroid from hitting Earth. So what's all this speculation? What's all this news about asteroids hitting Earth? The end is near. Disaster is near. Why do they want us to worry about this particular asteroid killer? Inquiring minds wants to know.